I'm going to share to you something so small and hot. Help me pass this message direct to Captain Mike Mukula. Somebody who posted this video here, this one, delete this video. We don't want to hear this video. I am a nephew of Teso. That doesn't mean I don't know anything in the people concerning the people of Teso. I am a child raised by the Itesots, but I am tired of hearing this song of cows. We shall bring the cows. We shall do this. I am tired. Help me pass this message direct to Captain Mike Mukula. Captain Mike Mukula, if I don't forget, you must have been the MP of Soroti for quite a long period of time. A long period of time. Over 10 years ago, you had been the MP of Soroti Serere in charge. Tell me, during those days, didn't you know concerning the bringing of cows to the people of Teso, substituting the cows of the people who lost even their lives? They did not stop there for their cows. Tell me, 40 years that you people have been in power as the NRM, I am speaking as a local subject. 40 years you have been in power and you are not doing anything to bring cows. Now that you are promising, we are doing all our best to bring the cows. We shall. Who wants your cows? MP, Captain Mike Mukula, who wants your cows? We don't want your cows. Huh? Mam siko takona kitu, Captain Mike Mukula, mambo siko ta kitu kuni baka sisi yaun stungalo Teso. We don't want your cows, Captain Mike Mukula. All the people who wanted those cows have passed away. The people actually who lost their cows have passed away. Then who are you going to give out the cows? You waited the people to pass away first. Then you come out and say, I am the owner of that wife. I am the owner of that house. Why do you wait him to pass away? Captain Mike Mukula, you are the representative of NRM in Eastern, a strong pillar in Eastern region. But shame on you. Shame on you, Captain Mike Mukula. How can you come out and say that? Broad daylight. We shall bring the cows. Now we shall expect a new government which will bring these cows. Is this a song now? Do you want to fool us as young children? Please, I am tired of this song. For the people of Teso, please wake up. I want this message to be played over the radio. Help me, so that the people of Teso will get to know. The people who wanted the cows have already passed away. Now it is young people who are there. These MPs, those are the people who will divide the cows. Not even the old people that we used to know. Those old ones have passed away. Except a few. Now that Honorable Chagulanyi has come out, has brought 6 cows. He has exposed you in 40 years. He has brought at least in 1 month. He has brought only 6 cows. You give him an example. He sits on the chair. Don't you think that he has signed an agreement to bring more cows? At least they see some light from him. I'm not saying that he will be the president. I'm not even saying that people should vote him. I'm not saying. I am just bringing an example for the people of Uganda to open eyes. Now you know the leader. You even know the leader. I should not come out as a pastor and say that vote who, vote so, vote Pre-7, vote BobiWine, vote MK. I don't have that. I am interested to correct the mistakes of the people of Teso. People of Teso should wake up and say, we don't want this song, we don't want this, this is what we want. I am tired of you being deceived, people of Teso. Okay, I will give you an example. President MU7 has 2,000 plus cows in his farm. 2,000 plus cows in his farm. 2,000. 40 years, he has 2,000 cows plus in his farm there. Don't you think that in the 40 years that he has spent, when he goes to the people of Teso, he carries half of his cows, that is 1,000, and takes to every how many sub counties do we have across Teso? And then he puts 10 across every sub county from his cows. That comes from his heart. He was standing in Buganda region to plead for forgiveness for the people of Buganda, and then they forgave him. I don't know what he did there. I don't want to enter that because I'm not interested. I'm interested the issue and the song that says the cows of Teso. Give me an opportunity to face those leaders of yours. Give me an opportunity. Captain Mike Mukula, this video should confront you and expose you. You have deceived the people of Teso for a long time, promising them. We have already entered the promised land long time. We have freedom. We are not fighting. We have freedom. Now give us what belongs to us. We don't want your cows anymore. I'm tired of this. Actually, itunga lote so. Mambo boni kiko takituku. We don't want cows anymore. No more cows. I think the elders should sit down and think about this. I am requesting just the king to come out and speak about the issues of the cows. A king, John Paul Emolot, Emor Papa Iteso. Also, you should listen to this message. Olomberejo da kinga, olimokso, mambo bosiko pupu na kilo ni kamara kida kitu. We don't want that. Your leadership has been pressed down as the king. We don't want that. This video is going to cause me problems. Help me share this message direct to the person I'm speaking about. The song of saying that cows, we are tired. We are tired of it, and we don't want to hear mambo bosiko tapupun captain. I have closed that chapter. We are thinking of other things else. Tell us. Tell us about other things. Don't tell us about cows anymore. We are tired of that. The roads that you people are speaking in eastern region, check on the road which is going from Serere to Soroti, from Soroti to Ochapa, come from Ochapa to come back up to Ngora. Actually very bad. 40 years and the MPs are also there open. We shall bring the cows. Whose cows do you want to bring? We don't want your cows. Even we don't want your leadership anymore. We are tired of it. Tired of liars. Every time 40 years you are busy lying us. We are no longer young children, by the way. And the nephews nowadays are different. We are the different type of nephews now. Our eyes are very focused on development, not issues of this. Otherwise, allow me to appreciate the people who have listened to my voice. By the grace of God, I'm requesting you. Let us come together and pray for our leaders, so that their eyes will open. So their eyes will know that lying people is bad. Lying people every other month, every other year, time for elections, you come out and lie them is bad. Hey, let us pray for them. And there are people who say that I should be the Speaker of Parliament. I'm sorry. Don't even think of me going to the Parliament and speak. I am speaking here as a local subject like you. Don't push me there. These guys will put me inside. But otherwise, I am requesting you by the grace of God, just to plead for forgiveness for the people of Teso. I'm very sorry for coming out to speak about this. It pains me to hear you being deceived and lied. That's why I've spoken. But from the bottom of my heart, let us share this message direct to these people so they can get to know. If President MU7 comes out and says, I've given out half of these cows to my people, he has cows. Example, the picture is here, I'm putting here. But this video should be deleted. That video of Captain Mukula should be deleted. We don't want to hear it. I even don't want to hear that video. How can you come out and deceive people daytime and you're promising them another new government? I don't want this.